Once the 2D network's information has been fully completed, 3D transformation can be done by a simple selection. It is recommended to break up the process and create the 3D model in several steps. Run the command and select the objects. To make sure that this connection will be taken into account, select the adjacent ducts. Confirm. This first step of 3D modeling is completed. Let's go ahead with the 3D creation. To make sure that this connection and this elbow will be taken into account, select the adjacent ducts. Confirm. 3D modeling is completed. Let's now run the 3D Networks Management command and visualize the 3D networks. They can be merged and exported in DWG. Of course, you can change the default file name and default folder for saving files. Your DWG can now be imported into your Revit type modeling software. Let's now generate a 3D model from this 2D drain network. Its levels have already been specified. Run the command and select the 2D network. Confirm.